And first of all, why is it too fast? And second, why does it sound like that? And then check from this view. Goodbye, Airbus A319. I hope you have a good day. Bye.